Hi, and welcome to the Search module. Let me show you some of the ways we can use Google Search to find what we're looking for. To get started, we can go to google.com and use the search box here to go ahead and do our search. Or we can even use the Omni box up here where we would normally type a URL. Let's get started with a history topic from our grades 11 and 12. The very top search result is the most popular search result. Then you can see that there are popular questions that people would ask Google when searching for this topic. And then down below are more results. There are a number of different pages and different types of search results that we can find down here. And we can go on from page to page. Ideally, we want our search result to be one of the top 3 or 4 on this page. To narrow things down, we can use the tool menu. We can come over here to any time and search results that are from this most recent time frame. This is helpful for current events. We can also go into the More button and search for something like books. We can go through these books and see preview versions or even full view of the books. You can click under any document and choose newspapers. Now we have newspaper articles from a certain time period, and we can narrow down that time frame here. We can even get more specific with our search by going over here to the cog wheel and clicking Advanced Search. The more we use Advanced Search, the more we can learn some of the tricks here off to the right on what we could add to the search bar or Omni box. Let's come down here to File Type and change that to PDF. Now when we hit Advanced Search, all of our results are downloadable PDFs. Let's try another history search. When showing the results of this search, they also include a knowledge graph. Knowledge graphs show up when you're searching places, things, events, people. You'll not only find information about what you've searched, you'll also see other things that people have searched for around that topic. Let's take a look at another one. When searching for people, you'll often find images that are associated with that person, a topic that's pulled from Wikipedia, and other information. One of my favorite things to do when searching for artists is to look at their artwork. And we get this knowledge carousel here at the top that we can scroll through. Now let's try searching images. Now we can search images from the search box here, or we can come up here to the corner and click Images here. Now I just type in a search query, and here are my results. When we click Tools, we can narrow down our search results for usage rights, like Creative Commons, and even file size. When we find a result that we like, we click on it, and it loads over here to the right. You'll also notice something here called licensable. This badge on image thumbnails tells people that there's licensing information available for the image here to the right. And when I come over here, you'll see I can click on any of these links to determine if it's usable for what my project is. In this case, it is. So I can right-click and download this to my hard drive. Or I can simply drag it from this window and put it on the desktop. You'll notice that this image is fairly large at 2000 by 1500. If I want to keep that size, don't drag the image from this window because it'll just be the thumbnail. If I drag it from this side onto my hard drive, it'll retain the sizing. I recommend having a play with some of the other drop-down menus like color and type. We can talk more about what we can do with those images using Google Docs in future modules.